Hello guys, today's video is gonna be about crocodile, so let's get right into the video. Crocodiles are large reptiles that habitat the tropics of the Americas, Australia, Africa, and Asia. Europe is the only continent that they don't natively live in. They are members of the order Crocodilia, which also includes alligators, caimans, and gharials. Habitat: wetland areas, freshwater rivers, or lakes. Or saltwater, residing in estuaries, lagoons, or mangrove swamps. Location: Africa, Asia, the Americas, Australia. Lifespan: 35 to 75 years. Size: 4.9 to 23 feet, 1.5 m, 7 m. Weight: 40 to 2,600 pounds, 18 to 1,200 kilograms. Color: dark green when adult. Yellow with black stripless when young. Diet: fish, amphibians, birds, reptiles, mammals. Predators: other crocodiles. Big cats, such as jaguars and leopards. Anacondas and pythons. When small, large birds such as heron or shoebill. Top speed: 35 km per hour, 22 miles per hour, swimming. Know of species: 14. Conservation status: for species endangered: Orinoco, Philippine, Cuban, Siamese. 2 species vulnerable: American, dwarf. Crocodiles are semi-aquatic and live in wetland areas, freshwater rivers or lakes, or saltwater, residing in estuaries, lagoons, or mangrove swamps, rather than far out at sea. There are 14 species of crocodiles, which vary in lifespan between 35 to 75 years, and considerably in size. The smallest, the dwarf crocodile, grows to an average 4.9 feet, 1.5 meters, in length, and weighs 40 to 71 pounds, 18 to 32 kilograms, or 3 to 5 stone. The largest crocodile is the saltwater crocodile, which can grow up to 23.0 feet, 7.0 meters, in length, weighing 2,200 to 2,600 pounds, 1,000 to 1,200 kilograms, or 150 to 190 stone. Some species are active during the day, while other species are only nocturnal. Crocodiles mostly hunt at night, are carnivorous animals and very efficient hunters, with excellent hearing and eyesight. They are aggressive, ambush predators, waiting for their prey to venture close to their hiding position, before rushing to attack. A croc's diet mostly includes other animals, reptiles, birds, and fish. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.